we're just going to jump right into it. I'm going to do a quick unboxing and a try on of my favorite style box, Trendsend by EVEREVE. I love this box. Doesn't always work out, but that's okay. It's like shopping in your own home, trying on other items with the items that they send you. And if you like anything, you keep it, purchase it, and you return the rest in a prepaid envelope that is no cost to you. The shipping to you is free. There's only a $20 selling fee, and that is applied to anything that you purchase. And if you keep 4 more items, you get an additional 10% off. Yeah, that's a pretty good deal. That's a sale. That's a sale coming to your front door. So let's get started. I've already unboxed everything. I'm going to show you the items very quickly, and then during the try on, I will give you more information. But let's just take a quick look and see what's in this great box. Everything is on sale except one item, so that's a plus. So let's get started, see how it turns out. Okay, so the first item, this item is very pretty. Look at this. It is by French Connection. It is the Lottie pullover or Lottie. It is I am wearing a size small. It is so pretty. It's thick, but yet not too thick. It has the nice V-neck, which I appreciate. And it is color block. I like how it all matches up with the dolman sleeves. So you have the black, and then you have the gray, heather gray, and then you have like this taupe color on the bottom, and it's also on the sleeve. It goes all the way around to the back. And it's longer in the back than the front, not by much, with the slits on the side. And the color that's on the bottom is also on the sleeve, which is really nice, very pretty. This top is hand wash, which is usually a downer for me. 55% acrylic, 45% cotton. It is regular $128. It's on sale for $115. This is really nice. Okay, let's talk about the jeans. Have a pair of cut from the cloth, button up. They are called the Mia High Rise Fab Ab Toothpick Skinny. These are on sale, regular $99 for $89. Skinnies are feeling a little, they're just feeling a little snug when you're used to wearing the boot cuts these days, but they fit great. They have the unfinished hem. They are a perfect length. And the color of these, it's like a gray, but it's called Urbane is the color. I'm leaving the jeans on for the next 2 items, and the first one, I was on the fence about it, but it is this Shacket. It is a plaid black. It looks like it's got a little bit of pink in it. It is maybe a little bit of an orange. It looks more overall, it just looks black and red to me. This is really, really nice. The surprise is that it's shorter. I think I'm liking the shorter length better than the longer length. It's just a little bit different. This is really nice. It's heavy. It's by Sanctuary. It's called the Shacket, and the color is roller plaid. I am wearing a size small. It's $129, but on sale currently for $116. It is machine washable. I like how that it's lined, and it has the black buttons in the front, the pockets on both sides on the breast, which is kind of weird, but it's not too bad. But there's no pockets in this, but that's okay. It's a nice jacket. This jacket is really surprising me because I normally don't care for prints or plaids, but I really like this one. It does have the buttons on the sleeve. I like that it's lined. It's just a really nice jacket. Okay, wait, Shacket. The next item that I paired with this, actually my stylist did. I've already received one of these. So the white was too sheer. So she sent me one in black. Do you guys remember this from my last EVEREVE box? It is by EVEREVE. It's the Snap Cuff Tee. It's machine washable. I'm wearing a size small and it's on sale from $58 to $52. I like the snap on the sleeve. This one feels a little thicker to me than the white one for some reason, and it might just be the color. So it's really, really nice. It's actually very nice. I might need to size up to a medium though. Pretty sure I'm gonna need a medium. What do you guys think? This next item, I thought I had already received it. It is a pullover with a zip. It has what I call a kangaroo pockets. This is really a nice fabric. Look at the fabric on this. This is really nice. But it's not the same one that I received before. So this one is different. This is the VARLEY half zip pullover by Faux. The color is Fossil. It is expensive. It is on sale for $133. I love the style of it. The color is nice. It's not really a color that I normally gravitate towards. The regular price is $148. I like the gold zipper on it. It's just a nice, very well made pullover. It does have the drop sleeve. Really nice. But yikes, the price, even on sale, this is just too expensive for this girl, but it sure is nice. Very pretty, very nice. But yeah, for that price, that's going to be a no. Okay, the very last item is a pair of faux joggers. I'm like, what? What? Oh no, there's no way I'm going to get these on. But as you can see, I did get them on and they are surprisingly very comfortable. Very, very comfortable. They actually fit. I'm wearing a size small. They are just a slip-on. There's no zipper, so that made me a little nervous. It has the pockets. I think it looks really nice with the pullover and with just a pair of casual gym shoes. The faux leather pants come in so many different styles. You can get them in leggings, cropped boot, relaxed shorts. They come in a flare. I think I would really like to try these in a flare. I don't know. These surprised me. These were the most surprised item in the box of how comfortable they actually are. And they're not on sale. These are the ones that are not on sale. They're $158. Yikes. I like them, but I don't love them for that price. So these I'm not going to keep, but I'm going to request the boot cut and see how I like those, because you can really dress these up or dress them down. I'm kind of surprised. Okay, you guys, that is my Trendsend box. What do you guys think? I'm going to have to look at the footage and make some decisions because there are some really nice items in here. They are on sale, and thank you to whoever used my referral link, because I receive an additional 20% off anything I keep. And if I keep 4 items or more, I will receive an additional 10% off. That's a sale coming to my door. That is a sale. But the items are pricey because they're a good quality items. This is from Trendsend by EVEREVE. And the items just last forever. They wash up very well. So for me, it's worth the money, but you guys know me, I'm very, very picky on what I decide to keep. So let me know your thoughts. Leave me a comment below. Let me know what you think. And then I will let you know what I end up keeping. So thanks for watching, everyone. Have a wonderful morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are, from my home to yours.